Put a lemon with salt on a plate, and watch what happens. To eliminate the negative energies of the environment that are in your home, we show you a simple but effective home trick. The rational mind cannot understand some remedies and rituals, which are a challenge to logic. Few people believe in this, but to remove the negative energies from the home, nothing better than the lemon with salt. This way you will neutralize the bad energies, improve the economy and restore harmony. This citrus hides multiple beneficial properties, not only for health and beauty, but also, from an energy point of view. Remember to share this home trick with your friends and family. Just by reserving a place in your life and in the environments where you usually stay most of the time to this citrus, with an unmistakable aroma, will take away the negative energies. All you need is green lemons and a plate with salt. How to do it? 1. To clean out the bad vibes you absorb during the day, put a lemon into pieces in a glass jar. 2. Around the broken lemon, put salt of grain inside the same container and place it where more transit in your house, in this case can be the room. 3. You can also put it aside, on the wall or on the floor. 4. On the next day, do not touch the lemon, put it in a plastic bag and throw it away from your house. Repeat it at least 4 days in a row and you will see how you will feel better. 5. You can also do this with lemons. Use a green lemon in your handbag, in your pants bag, jacket or wherever you want. Take it out at night and you will see how the lemon will be dry. Throw it and the next day bring a new one. This will absorb all the negative you can absorb.